Tanong mo kay kuya. Hold them. Sorry, hindi dyan ang hawak. Para hindi ka mahirapan. Ang hawak dito sa ano? Dyan. Okay. Yes. Mali yata eh. Tama ba yung paa niya? Pag ganun, mas madali. Mas lakad pa yan. 2 hands. Strong, strong, strong. 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 Oh. Kabila. Yan. Sige. Go. Step. Very good. Step. Oh. Bitaw mo yung left mo. Ikapit mo dyan sa same rope sa right. Bitaw. Yan. Oh, then transfer yung right. Very good. Step.
Did you do this ever in your life?
Ah, go. Go, go, go. Basta, transfer yung left ulit. Transfer yung left hand. Okay, very good. Step hanggang ano. Focus, focus. Okay, very good. Pati na lang. Focus, focus. Last two ropes. Oops, oops. Very good, very good. Strong, strong. Yung left mo, lipat mo rin yung left mo. Left hand, lipat mo sa kabilang rope. Yan, okay. Push yourself. 2 hands. Diyan, gamitin mo yung rope. Pull yourself up. Hilahin mo sarili mo, pataas. Yeah, very good. This one's easier dapat. Very good.